In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Zoom. We'll go from finding the official website to getting the app installed and ready to use, so you can sign in or jump straight into a meeting with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to zoom.us. Type it directly into the address bar and make sure you see the secure connection indicator next to the address so you know you're on the official site. Once the page loads, scroll to the very bottom. In the footer, find the download link and click it. This takes you to the Download Center, which is where Zoom keeps the installers for different devices. On this page, look for Zoom Workplace, which is the Zoom desktop application. That's the standard client most people use for meetings. Click Download. If there are options for different operating systems, select the one that matches your computer, such as Windows or Mac OS. Your browser may ask whether to save the file. Choose Save and note where it's going, typically your Downloads folder. If the download starts automatically, you may see it appear at the bottom of your browser or in the Downloads tray. When the download finishes, open the file. You can do that by clicking it directly from your browser's Downloads area, or by opening your Downloads folder and double-clicking the installer. On Windows, this will usually be an .exe file. If you see a security prompt, choose Run or Yes to continue. On Mac, you'll typically get a PKG or .dmg file. Open it and follow the prompts. If you're asked to drag Zoom into your Applications folder, go ahead and do that. Next, follow the on-screen steps to install Zoom. The installer will guide you through the process, and it's fine to accept the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. You might see a progress bar while files are copied. If your system requests permission to make changes, approve it so the installation can finish. When it's done, Zoom may launch automatically. If not, open it from your Start menu on Windows or the Applications folder on Mac. With Zoom open, you can sign in if you already have an account, or use the Join button to enter a meeting without signing in. If you join, you'll be asked for a meeting ID and your display name. The first time you use Zoom, your system might ask for camera and microphone access. Allow those so others can see and hear you. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and opened Zoom, ready for your next meeting.